Are you a work-at-home mom who's getting a little freaked out by preparing your office for your upcoming maternity leave and your return with a newborn? Let's dive in and see if we can find some answers for you. Hey there, work-at-home moms. My name is Laurel and welcome back to the Mom Desk Club. Today we're diving into a topic that could possibly send a work-at-home mom into a panic: preparing our home office for maternity leave. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a soon-to-be first-time mama, making sure your workspace is comfortable and organized is key to a smooth transition as a work-at-home mom. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk ergonomics. As moms, we know the toll pregnancy and then breastfeeding and baby carrying can take on our bodies. So it's crucial to set up our workspace in a way that supports our changing needs. Invest in a good quality ergonomic chair that provides ample support for your back and hips. Trust me, your body will thank you. You may also want to look into getting a sit-to-stand desk attachment for your desk. I promise that is a really big deal. Next up, let's talk about desk height and monitor placement. Your desk should be at a height that allows your elbows to rest comfortably at a 90-degree angle while typing. And when it comes to your monitor, position it at eye level to reduce strain on your neck. Simple adjustments like these can make a world of difference in your comfort level throughout the day. Like I mentioned though, the sit-to-stand desk thing is going to be a big deal. I promise you're going to be doing a lot of standing and rocking and bouncing. Now let's tackle organization. With a little one on the way, keeping your workspace clutter-free is more important than ever. Invest in storage solutions like filing cabinets, shelves, or bins to keep your office supplies neat and tidy. And don't forget to designate a specific spot for important documents like medical records and maternity leave paperwork. Being organized now will save you a lot of time and stress down the road. You also may want to invest in some different options to keep those big pieces of furniture stuck to the walls so that they won't fall over on your child. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about creating a comfortable, inviting atmosphere. Your home office should feel like a sanctuary where you can focus and recharge. Add some personal touches like photos, plants, or candles to make the space feel warm and inviting. And don't forget to incorporate elements that bring you joy, whether it's a favorite piece of artwork or a cozy blanket for chilly days. You'll also be adding a lot more mom paraphernalia over the time when you come back. And there you have it, mamas. Preparing your home office for maternity leave doesn't have to be daunting. By focusing on ergonomics and organization and creating a comfortable work environment, you're going to be ready to tackle whatever comes your way over the coming months. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out the other videos in our series all about maternity leave prep. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now.